Hi, this is your astronomer and writer from Helsinki, but today we're doing some English words for business Finnish, everyday Finnish. So I collected some internet vocabulary words because when you work, you need to know your internet vocabulary, technical vocabulary associated with using internet. I'm not a native speaker, so you are welcome to comment and correct my pronunciation. I'm doing my best. Poistu, exit, kirjaudu sisään, to log in somewhere, sulje, to close, verkkosivusto, the website, QR-koodi, the QR code, sivu is page, etusivu is the main page, ilmoitus, notice or ad, tyhjentää is to empty, for example, kansiot or folders, esimerkiksi kansiot. And I have to say these are so hard to pronounce for me, so um, I'll try my best. Automaattisesti, automatically, järjestelmä, system, keskiyön jälkeen, after midnight. So let's say it comes up when something is uh, not working after midnight or some system checkup. Vastausaika is the response time. Kirjanmerkki, bookmark. Usein kysyttyä is the frequently asked questions. Tapahtumat, events. Viesti is a message like an email. Näyttää is a conjugated form of näyttää, to show. Aloitussivu is the homepage. Lähettäjä is the sender of the message. Vara-aika, reserve time. Mitä uutta? What's new or the news? Okay, it's done. Good job.